They have flourished on this planet for over 600 million years. But they are as mysterious as the great ocean depths. Magnificent assassins, they can kill in seconds and invade en masse.
Species on Earth, sustaining that life by providing 20% of all the animal protein. Many creatures live in these waters. One creature is the jellyfish. Fascinating, elegant, and mysterious to watch in the water. Take a jellyfish out of the water, and it becomes a much less fascinating blob. This is because jellyfish are about 95% water, lacking a head and brain, a skeleton and blood, as well as many special organs for respiration and excretion. Jellyfish are pretty simple creatures. The jellyfish is carnivorous and hunts its prey either actively or passively, depending on the species and swimming abilities. On the underside of its body is an opening which serves as a mouth, as well as an opening to expel waste matter from the body. It is a weird fact that jellyfish expels waste from the same place as it ingests food. This mouth directly opens into a gastro.